Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. Open the YouTube app, then tap on your profile picture on top right corner and go to your channel. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and tap Help and Feedback. Now you have to type delete or hide my YouTube channel. Tap on the option. Scroll down and you'll see two drop downs. Tap delete your channel permanently. Then tap YouTube Studio. And YouTube Studio will open in a browser window. Tap on the settings icon on bottom left corner. Now tap Channel, then Advanced Settings, scroll down and tap Remove YouTube Content. Now you have to enter your password to verify. Tap Next. And now you will see two drop downs. Tap I want to permanently delete my content. Mark the checkbox and then tap Delete my content. And your content will be deleted. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.